is so dry. I'm putting pimple cream on this one pimple for like a week at this point. And now the skin around it is so dry and makeup looks gross. Like every spot I have a pimple that I put pimple cream on is now super dry. Now it's just making the pimple look worse, so it's good. I was gonna do my hair yesterday, but I barely even took an actual break from work. And so I had no time. And then once I was done with work, I was literally so tired. If you guys watched the vlog, I ran out to grab my boss a holiday gift because I realized it would probably be the last time I would see her before the holidays, because we do have next week, but it's our week, like our last week, and I don't know if we're gonna be in the office or not, so I wanted to make sure I had that. I had to run out and do that. The process was much harder than I thought. I had all the gifts in mind, but of course when I was going to the stores that would usually have those items, they didn't have them. It took way longer than it needed to. The train. Where is there a train over here? The train is giving me freaking college vibes. I really need a new bronzer. So give me bronzer Rex in the comments. I just checked the weather and it's possibly supposed to snow today. Let's pray it doesn't, because I have to drive into the office. Is this Booby? Booby. Buddy. There he is. So let's pray, but then it also says rain. So let's just hope it turns into rain. I am gonna get dressed. I usually film these for Instagram or TikTok, but I don't really feel like doing that today. Plus, like, the last few ones haven't really been doing well, so I'm like, okay, does no one like them anymore? I don't know. Can you guys see him? Oh, so cool. I have these black ones, which are my favorite ones from Express. The only problem is they're super long, but when I wear these, I have to wear tall booties, because that's the only way, or else I'll trip. Yeah, that's all I had to say. Then I'm wearing this black turtleneck from Urban. Do I look like I'm going to a funeral? Maybe. But you know what? I just don't care. I don't care right now. I don't feel like trying on my outfit this morning. So what you're getting is black on black. That's what you're getting. Sorry. Like, I feel like it just gives the mood for today because it's raining / snowing. It's 30 degrees. You know? Oh, my stomach is kind of out though. Shit. Yeah, I can't wear this. My stomach is like out. When I'm walking, it's out. My stomach cannot be out. Oh, shit. Hold on, guys. We gotta reevaluate. Okay, packed the gift. My handwriting looks awful, but whatever. It's literally whatever. Like, I can't. I'm here early. No one else is here. I think the door will still be open because our door connects to like other offices that are upstairs. I'm gonna hope that it's open because I want to go in, because I'm not like I'm like 10 minutes early, so I'm not like that early, but I want to go sit at my desk and stuff and then put my boss's gift on her desk. I ended up wearing this top because the other top was just not gonna work. It was just too cropped, and my pants are literally too long for any of my shoes. It looks ridiculous. So the only ones that worked are my tan boots from Steve Madden. I really need to get these hemmed, so someone please remind me in the comments. Tell me, Julia, get your pants hemmed, please, because I really need to. All right, let's head in. So the door's locked, but there's a little lobby, so I'm just gonna wait here for Emily to get here or Erica so that I can get in, because I don't feel like dragging all my stuff back to my car. I'm just gonna wait here, eat my banana while I wait. Hello guys, I am back home. We had our holiday brunch. I didn't vlog there because, well, it's a work holiday brunch. I'm not gonna vlog that, sorry. I'm having another cup of coffee because I just really need it right now. But I have like an hour or so left of work, so I'm just going through my emails and whatnot, and then I still have to edit the vlog that has to go up today. So our day is not over, and the weather's so crappy today. It like was supposed to snow, but then it said rain, so it turned into like sleet, and it was not fun driving home. The closer I got to home, the worse the weather got, so that's not really fun when you're on the highway. Luckily, the way I took home was so much faster than like every other day when I drive home, which is weird because our brunch was farther, but I'm not complaining. I already put on my comfy clothes. So you guys can tell this is like my favorite sweatshirt at the moment. Mammoth. Why'd I do that? What is today? The 15th. Wow. Only 10 more days left of vlogmas. Like my jaw just cracked. Did you hear that? I'll talk to you guys later. Happy Friday. I am tired today. It's a few hours later. I can't even remember what I vlogged today. I don't think it's been much, but I am very tired today. Just thank God it's Friday because this week really took it out of me. I fell asleep on the couch for a little bit, but me and my dad are back out again, but we have to pick something up for my mom. So we have to go to Target for that. And then I have to pick up a gift card for my friend for part of her gift. Because tomorrow I'm going out to the bars with my friends for Megan's birthday. They hopefully have it at Target. And that's it. We're just going to Target. Pray, I think. I was like, Dad, that's all we're doing. We're just doing Target today. I'm not doing the whole run here, run there, run everywhere. I'm too tired. And it's a Friday and I'm gonna have a long day tomorrow. I need to just relax. Here he comes.
Let's just start our little journey. Gotta start it. Maybe we'll have some luck. One for you. You want to pick any one you want? Or which one you want?
This one.
Okay.
My dad had to, of course, stop and get some lottery tickets.
All right. We consider our little journey on Friday. All right, here we go.
Here we go.
All right, get your pen. Scratch it up. See, we need the light though a minute so we can see.
Bad lighting. Okay, let's see.
I bet you won something. I can feel it.
Yeah.
I can feel it in my bones.
What is it again?
3 of one thing, 3 of the same number.
Okay.
Or those numbers up there, one of those numbers.
No, I didn't win anything here. So, yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
Yeah, we're losers.
Not sure what we're doing for dinner yet. My stomach's on a roller coaster today, so I'm not even really thinking about food right now. I'm just hoping we make it through Target. Okay, I found these. So we got one thing.
You would laugh.
So we left Target. Of course they don't have a Dunkin' gift card. Like, how do they not have a Dunkin' gift card? I can't make this shit up. Like, so we go to Dunkin', because there's a Dunkin' on the way home anyways. So my dad's running in for me. Because my stomach today, she is not okay. Yeah.
I'm back.
You got it.
Here's your choice. Check it out.
Choice?
Well, had 2. They had one with a nice little snowman, and then the other was like red, and it said D&D. It was like the generic. Yep, and there's your receipt.
Awesome.
All right.
Thanks,
so we
Dad.
did pretty good. You're welcome, sweetie. Anything for you.